Hello, Butler Broncos. I am here to talk to you about Imagine Math, and some of you may be familiar with Imagine Math from first grade. Others of you, this may be your first time, so I'm here to just share in general what Imagine Math can do for you. On this screen, when you get to this screen, welcome to Imagine Math. You may drill down on those words, and when you do, there's a 5-minute video, approximately 5 minutes, a 5-minute video there that will remind you about what you can expect to see when you do get into Imagine Math. And if you're new for the first time getting into Imagine Math, then you will want to look at this video because it's very important information for you. Let's go on to the next page. Getting started. How do you get started in Imagine Math? You will get into Imagine Math by logging into Rapid Identity. Once you get into Rapid Identity, rather than looking for the seesaw icon, which is what you do mostly when you go through Rapid Identity, instead you'll be looking for this icon right here, which is your Imagine Math icon. Do find a quiet, comfortable place for yourselves with your headphones on to prevent as much distraction as possible, okay? You'll want to do your very best the first time because you'll be able to earn some tokens, and those tokens will take you to some exciting places and will allow you to do some exciting things. But you earn those tokens by doing your best the first time. So if you want to grab some scratch paper, pencil, so that you are ready, so that you are prepared to do your very best, please do so, okay? All right, let's see. If you get to a page and there is a question mark on that page, that simply means that you can click on that question mark, and that question mark will allow the instructions to be read to you again. Here, as I said earlier, we do want you to do your best, and we want you to complete 30 to 45 minutes of Imagine Math. That's 30 to 45 minutes of Imagine Math a week. So if you want to break that into little bite-sized pieces throughout your week, please feel free to do that. If you want to do 10 minutes on Monday and come back and do 10 minutes on Tuesday and then 20 minutes on Wednesday, however you choose to break that up, it's totally up to you. Please know that once you log out, your work is saved. So when you log back in, you're just fine. You will pick up right where you left off. Now, the teachers will get a report that lets us know the amount of time that you've actually spent in Imagine Math, and it will also let us know how you're doing in Imagine Math. And you do do try to do your best the very first time, okay? Let's see here. On Friday in Seesaw, you'll be given an opportunity to check off that you really have gone into Imagine Math and that you really have done the work. Now, I will say this, once you get into Imagine Math, the first time around, you'll take a benchmark. A benchmark is like a little assessment, and that assessment will follow you, so to speak. So if you do your work, only your work, on Imagine Math the first time that you sign in, then you're good to go. If you get some help from parents, then that's going to skew your benchmark. And then all of the work that you do in Imagine Math going forward will be based on how well you did on that initial benchmark or that initial assessment. So do by all means, I cannot tell you how important it is that you do your best. If you are scoring low on that benchmark initially, that really is fine. That's perfect because the system is designed to help you get to the next level. So please, by all means, just do the work yourself so that the system can work for you. In the middle of the year, you will take another assessment, and that assessment is based on how well you did at the beginning of the year right now. So again, I hope that helps you understand why it's so important that you do your best and not ask your parents to do their best for you. Okay. All right. When you are done and you know that you've done 30 to 45 minutes for the week, then you may log out when you are finished. We look forward to how you are going to progress using this system. There's some specific skill sets that are in there. We know that practicing your basic facts, your basic addition facts, your basic subtraction facts is a very important skill set that you need to develop in second grade, because when you go to third grade, you're at that point, you're no longer learning your basic addition facts, you're learning your multiplication facts. So again, the skill sets that are there to help you. So doing the test with integrity the first time is very important. All right, I think you understand, Butler Broncos. Be the best that you can be all the time, even when no one is watching. All right, Butler Broncos, we look forward to seeing what you're going to do. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.